I just want to introduce you to nanoCAD. Just going to the website, you got various different files. You've got all their main files that you pay a subscription for, but you've also got this one here, which is the free version, and it's very capable for a free version. Very similar to AutoCAD, DWG compliant and native. So we'll just open it up, come to the home screen here. Very similar layout. You have model space, you have paper space. Here's a template that I'm looking at setting up. I'm going to start a very rough sketch. You got all your different file settings up the tops, very similar. You got all your audit, recover. Got everything set up. It's very similar to AutoCAD, very easy to pick up, very easy to learn. All the different file settings. What I'm going to do here, I prefer to use a white screen background, but a lot of traditional AutoCAD users prefer the black screen. It comes basically native as black screen, but I've modified it to a white screen, but you can change it to a black screen quite easily, and it ends up representing AutoCAD pretty much identically. It uses the IntelliCAD engine, which if you do a bit of research on IntelliCAD, it's Autodesk used to own it, but was forced to break it off and sell it off into various other different programs, and it is DWG native, so very compliant with AutoCAD items or any DWG sort of a file.